Here on the A27 Arundel bypass scheme, Highways England is carrying out surveys to help us identify habitats and species that could potentially be affected by the project and understand how we can carefully manage our impacts on them.
I qualified 5 years ago and I've been doing ecological research ever since. I'm interested in practical conservation, so working within infrastructure and other projects that have to happen, making sure that they don't impact biodiversity and the environment unnecessarily. We use the habitat assessment to inform what further surveys we would need to do in an area, based on signs of animals that are present, what kinds of plants are present.
Lots of sort of brash coming up as well. Fallen.
Environmental surveys are a vital part of any major road project.
It's important to have an understanding of what is in an environment before large infrastructure projects. For instance, in a woodland like this, badgers may be present. We would conduct surveys for them during the autumn when the lack of foliage makes it more straightforward to find their latrines and sets and other evidence of their activity in the area.
Oddly, we've got. I've been an ecologist for nearly 10 years and what I'm most interested in is devising mitigation strategies for large schemes like this. Today we're looking at what habitats could be present within the scheme and also signs for any rare and endangered species. This includes things like bats, badgers, dormice and other protected species. For some species we do need special equipment, so bats for example we need detectors. We also use camera traps which are used to identify mammals which come out at night.
These important surveys make up part of our environmental impact assessment and will help us as we develop our planning proposals.